Hello students, let us discuss valence electrons. As we discussed that the electrons are distributed in the shells like this: 2 electron, maximum 2 electron in the first shell, 8 electron in the second, 18 electron in the third, and 32 electron in the fourth shell. So let us discuss what is this valence electrons. First, let us define it. Valence electron is the number of electrons in the outermost shell. That is, the number of electron which is present in the outermost shell, that is called as valence electron. Let us take one example, silicon. In silicon, there are 14 electrons. From 14, 2 electrons are in the first shell, 8 electrons are in the second shell. So, 4 electrons are there in the third shell. So, third shell is called as the outermost shell. That is the outermost shell. Third shell is the outermost shell. And the number of electron which is present in this outermost shell, when you count it here, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 electron in the outermost shell. So, what it say? Outermost shell. That is, the closest shell is in the silicon is the first shell, then second, then third. So that means the third shell is the outermost shell, and the number of electron which is present in the outermost shell, that is called as a valence electron in an atom. So when you count it here in the case of silicon, there are 4 electron in the outermost shell. Therefore, its valence electron is equal to 4. Similarly, when we talk about sodium, magnesium and aluminium, in all these atoms, there are 3 shells. You can see here, first shell, second shell, third shell. Here also, first shell, second shell, third shell. So here, KLM. In all these cases, 3 shells are there. So which one is the outermost shell here? The third shell is the outermost shell. Now when you counted the number of electrons in these, it is found that in the case of sodium, there is only single electron in the outermost shell. Therefore, its valence electron is equal to 1. In the magnesium, 2 electrons are there in the outermost shell. Therefore, its valence electron is equal to 2. So what about aluminium? Count it. In aluminium, there are 3 electrons in the outermost shell. That is mentioning I am here. There are 3 electrons in the outermost shell. Therefore, its valence electron is equal to 3. So, it is very easy concept. Valence electron is nothing but the number of electrons present in the outermost shell. So, in order to find out the valence electron, first of all, you need to make the atomic structure as it is made for sodium, magnesium and aluminium here, and find it out which electron are in the outermost shell. So that number of electron gives the valence electron. It is easy to learn the valence electron for first to 18 element in this manner. If you learn in this manner, it will be easy. That is, first hydrogen, then helium. You have to learn the sequence in the same order: hydrogen, helium, then lithium, barium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. After neon, sodium comes here. Sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon. So all of you learn till argon. From hydrogen to argon, all of you need to learn the sequence. Once you learn the sequence, it is easy to remember the number of electrons present in it, because if I am saying 1 means first I am saying hydrogen. So it means the number of electron in hydrogen is 1. Then second, helium. Then third, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. Then sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon. You have to learn in this order and try to write the order in this way. So it will be easier to find it out the number of valence electron, because when you make the structure, that is the atomic structure for hydrogen, lithium and sodium, when you make it, let I am making here hydrogen, lithium and sodium. Find it out here. How many valence electrons are there? In the case of hydrogen, there is only single electron in the outermost shell because there is only one shell. But in the lithium, two shells are there. So which is the outermost shell? This is the outermost shell. And how many number of electrons are there? 1. Valence electron is equal to 1. In the sodium, there are 3 shells. So in the outermost shell, when you count it, there is only single electron in the outermost shell. So hydrogen, lithium, sodium, all these have only single electron in the outermost shell. So its valence electrons, that is for hydrogen, for lithium and for sodium, its valence electron is equal to 1. So it is better to learn the sequence in this order so that you can easily find it out the valence electron. Hydrogen, lithium, sodium, all these have valence electron 1. Similarly, when we talk about beryllium and magnesium, where is beryllium and magnesium? Look at this. Here is the beryllium, here is the magnesium. So when we make the atomic structure for these, it is observed that there are 2 electrons in the outermost shell for the case of beryllium, and for the case of magnesium also, when you find it out, there are 2 electrons in the outermost shell. So what is the valence electron now? That is the valence electron for these two is 2. For beryllium and for magnesium, the valence electron is equal to 2. So it is better to learn the sequence from hydrogen to till argon in this order. That is, after hydrogen, then helium comes, then lithium, then beryllium, boron, like this you need to learn. And after neon, keep the sodium bottom to lithium. So when you learn the sequence in this way, it is easy to frame the valence electron. So here, in this, I have made the dots. The dots is representing the number of valence electron. So in this case, hydrogen, lithium and sodium. You can see one dot I have made already. So that dot is representing what? The valence electron. For beryllium and magnesium, look at here. For these beryllium and magnesium, there are 2 dots. So its valence electron is 2. For the boron and aluminium, that is here, the number of dots which I have kept here, that is 3. So the valence electron is 3. So look at here, how easy to remember this one. So the valence electron will be in this order. That is 1 for the case of hydrogen, lithium and sodium, 2 for beryllium and magnesium, 3 for boron and aluminium, 4 for carbon and silicon, 5 for nitrogen and phosphorus, 6 for oxygen and sulfur, 7 for fluorine and chlorine, 8 for helium, neon, argon. Not only these elements, we have other elements also. But till 18 atomic number, that is till argon only you need to remember now. So all of you learn the sequence from hydrogen to argon and try to learn by in this order. So you should be able to make the symbols of 1 to 18 element in this way. So it is better you will learn in this way. So that is more important in order to make the atomic structure and for finding out the valence electron. So this is all we have discussed about valence electron. Valence electron plays a very important role in the bonding, that is in the formation of molecule from atoms. So that will be discussed in the next video. So have a nice day.